Bitcoin is growing again. After 2 weeks of sideways market movement, the first crypto finally surged above $30,000. Bitcoin miner revenue rises to a 10-month high, while the number of BTC holders reaches a new all-time high. So, are we now witnessing the resurrection of Bitcoin? Hey there, I'm Eleonora, the product owner at Exma Study, and in this video I will share with you some of the latest and most significant news in the world of crypto. But first, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell below to stay in the know of the latest market situation. And now let's get started! Bitcoin outperformed other asset classes in Q1 2023, with gains of around 72%. In March, trading volumes on crypto exchanges reached a whopping 3.81 trillion, the highest since September 2022. But after an impressive bull run, most cryptos traded in a relatively narrow price range for the last 2 weeks. It seems like bulls and bears had a very tough fight, with each trying to move prices in their direction. And I guess that now bulls are starting to strengthen their dominance as Bitcoin breaks above $30,000 for the first time since June 2022.
That is one of the highest levels that we have seen essentially in over the past 9 months here. This is a 52-week look here, and of course the last time that we were above 30,000, you can go all the way back to May of 2022. And so with all of that in mind, of course, we've had a few things take place most recently that's reinserted some confidence year to date.
April has historically been one of the best months of the year for risk assets. So I wonder how much BTC will cost by the end of the month. What do you think? Comment below. Meanwhile, we can see a lot of positive bullish factors. The level of market fear and uncertainty has decreased, as no major collapses, investigations or scandals have been observed. Yes, the crypto market is still under strong regulatory pressure, but market participants show confidence in Bitcoin and other cryptos. And that's great! Thus, the number of Bitcoin addresses holding more than 0.1 BTC has increased to a new all-time high of about 4.3 million addresses. The total number of long-term Bitcoin holders is rising at the fastest rate since early 2021, when Bitcoin's price reached $64,000. And Bitcoin's return to $30,000 has only increased market positive sentiment, causing a huge surge of market euphoria, significantly more than when the first crypto hit $25,000 in February. Bitcoin funds and other major players are also accumulating Bitcoins. MicroStrategy, the largest Bitcoin holder among companies, has bought an additional 1,045 coins. Now it holds 140,000 BTC. This means that the company's Bitcoin bet turns green. As you see, buying BTC regularly pays off. And what is your average buying price for Bitcoin? According to CryptoQuant, Bitcoin is in an accumulation phase before the upcoming halving, which is likely to occur in April 2024. Bitcoin miners also rejoice. They experienced their most profitable month in the last 10 months, earning over $718 million. And their revenues keep growing, while Bitcoin's mining difficulty has reached a new all-time high. However, it's not only Bitcoin that is heavily accumulated. For instance, Cardano whales holding between 1 million and 10 million ADA have bought approximately 150 million ADA, worth about $57 million in the last month. According to Sentiment, addresses with a balance of 100 to 10,000 ETH are also actively accumulating coins. Doge wallets with balances of over 1 million Doge do exactly the same since the beginning of the year. When it comes to Ethereum, did you know that after its transaction to proof of stake, the asset has become deflationary? Since mid-September 2022, the supply of Ether has reduced by as much as 75,000 coins, and this number keeps growing. This can have a very positive impact on its price in the long run. As for Doge, the so-called Doge father Elon Musk pumped the price of the meme coin again at the beginning of April. The coin surged by more than 35% after Elon Musk's Twitter replaced the familiar blue bird logo with Dogecoin's Shiba Inu dog logo. Google searches for Doge skyrocketed by around 2,000%. Searches for Buy Doge and Buy Dogecoin also grew by more than 1,000% and 250% respectively. In a few days, though, the price of popular meme coin rolled back. But who knows, maybe soon Musk will post a new tweet. While Elon Musk pumped Doge, Jim Cramer, widely known for the anti-Cramer effect, did an ill service for Ripple with his statements. Last week, he commented that the SEC may lose its lawsuit against Ripple. And guess what happened to XRP? It fell by 6%, following its considerable growth by 26%. Still, many experts do believe that Ripple can win, so maybe Cramer is right for this time. Now let's have a closer look at two major stablecoins. Bloomberg stated that Tether used the payment platform of the collapsed Signature Bank to transfer US dollar funds from the USA to the Bahamas.
Tell viewers, that the reason that this giant collapse happened is because of crypto, but it's more complicated than that, and I think we're still seeing it play out right now, what's going on. But the story that I told is a story about how they had been a completely different beast, this kind of outer borough, blue collar, kind of street fighting group of bankers, and pivoted to something brand new that they had not been, that had not been their specialty.
And this is not the first time the media tries to disparage the company's reputation. Despite this, USDT is doing well. Tether's chief technology officer Paula Ardoina tweeted that the company earned more than $700 million in Q1 of this year. USDC, on the contrary, was losing its dominance. But fortunately, the supply of Tether's main competitor has finally stabilized after a wave of redemptions following the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. As you see, the market situation is positive as of now. But still, the crypto market is waiting for some fundamental driving factors, and I hope they will be positive. And now, that's all for today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the notification bell below.